Advanced Authoring Environment. First, open FlexRule Designer. FlexRule Designer is an advanced authoring environment. This means that it provides a tab document interface along with different docking-controlled windows. This ensures that you have the maximum space in your view to accomplish your goals. The environment consists of a couple of different areas and windows. This is the FlexRule homepage, and we are on the Start page. Here we can see the projects we recently opened. There are multiple options to get started. If we click on Samples Gallery, we can find samples from the online gallery in our Resource Hub. Taking project Car Insurance as an example, we can click Open Tutorial to complete the tutorial in the Resource Hub. We can also download and install the project. Once we log into FlexRule, our username will be shown at the top right corner. If there is a notification of Expression Builder help content, click Download Help Content. Open a document. Here we can open Car Flow, which is the main document of this project. Now we can see different areas and windows on the page. Designer Menu and Designer Toolbar contain options related to the designer. Project Explorer shows the structure of the project. Document Area allows us to create and maintain rules and decisions. Each item in a document may have one or more properties. We can set and change the properties and values once they are listed in the Properties window. Toolbox provides a set of different commands that can be dragged and dropped onto the rule document. Different command groups are provided based on the type of document that is currently being edited. Now let's verify rules, decisions, and logic. First, click on Validate to validate the rules. If there is any error or warning, it will be shown in the message list. When there is an error in the list, we can trace it to find the root of the problem. When we double-click on an error, the corresponding item will be selected. In this project, custom database type should not have any value when database is not set to custom. Click Open Database in Properties. Delete the input in Custom Database Type. Validate the rules again. Now we can see there is no error or warning in the message list. Now we debug the project. Click on Logic Run Template. Click Yes to save changes. Select the logic and click Debug. Click Next Step to debug step by step. The output window displays logs. These logs may be related to different actions or tasks that you've chosen to accomplish, like running a rule, for example. It also shows different messages and feedback while the user is interacting with FlexRule Designer. The output window provides different views that we can switch between. Initially, when we load the FlexRule Designer, only the storage view is shown. But as we work with FlexRule Designer, more views can be added as required. The Breakpoints window shows a list of breakpoints in the project. We can see all the breakpoints along with the document name and the node identifier, where each breakpoint is located. By adding a breakpoint, we can skip steps before the breakpoint when debugging. Right-click on the document you would like to add a breakpoint to and click Add Breakpoint. Then the added breakpoint will be shown in the Breakpoints window. We have the option to enable a selected breakpoint, disable a selected breakpoint, delete a selected breakpoint, or delete all breakpoints. The tasks that take a longer time to run are listed in the Background Tasks window. Once the execution completes successfully, we can see the output in the Parameters window. To see the values, select a property from the list and click on Data Viewer. The Watch window is helpful to check the parameters and expressions. For example, we can see the value of a car's age by entering car.age. The Notification window shows all the user-defined notices of a node that are generated during the runtime. Note that these are not auto-generated notifications. If you have defined an error notification, it will be displayed here. Want to get started? Visit our Resource Hub for more information.